Live. Okay, folks, testing something out here today. I want to give people a couple minutes to get on here. I'm going to start taking chart requests here from the chart request thread live. I'm going to try to do this on a daily basis. Anytime we get 10 or more requests here, I will go ahead and do a video. And I'm just going to do this daily, so it's not like a 2-hour video for you guys to find your chart requests. I'm going to try to hop on here every morning if there's requests, and I'll be covering your guys' chart requests. So get those in on a daily basis here. What is the title of this stream? It's just live stream. I gotta mess with that. This is gonna be kind of new. I haven't gone live in like 2 years, so if I'm a little rusty, cut me some slack. If you guys got chart requests throughout this live, I'm just gonna cover these 10 that we got or 11 that we got here in the Discord. If you guys got chart requests, just get them over here in the chart request thread, and I'll be happy to cover those. So the first one we're gonna be going over is this one here from the Crypto Goat. That was going to be VOR. What's up, Measy? What's up, Phil? Good to see you guys. This is a pharmaceutical company here. So VOR, that was your ticker, right? VOR. VOR was the ticker. So let's check the monthly first here. The monthly is green. These pharmaceutical stocks are very interesting. Obviously, a lot of them are news-based pumps. Just if they invent the cure to cancer or something, obviously it's going to go crazy. But I like this one on the monthly. You can see it has a monthly green dot. I recommend you guys, know what you guys are invested into, right? You want to know the company, what they do. No idea about VOR. We talk about the research tool all the time on this channel. If you guys don't know what a stock or a crypto is, all you got to do is come over here, type in /info, and then enter. And then just go ahead and hit, type in the ticker, and it will pull up all the information. So you can see they're based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It's a $60 million company. Clinical stage cell and I don't know that word, engineering company. So obviously bio stocks are very news based, but this is interesting. I mean, if you like penny stocks, this thing is worth like pennies. Like a $60 million market cap stock is very, very, very small. Very small. Okay, traded on the public exchange. So that's going to be very risky. But how I would trade this, obviously you got the green dot here back in November, so that's good, right? This thing was all-time high was $62 or something like that. But if you're trading this one, again, we just want to wait for that green dot confirmation. It looks like it's trying to bounce here off of 120, so that's an interesting level. But I like the stochastic down here on the floor, right? That stochastic RSI. It's a good momentum indicator. Okay, when that thing's down on the floor here at 0, that's when we want to look for these green dots. Okay, when it's up here, we don't want to, right? We're looking to sell. That's when price gets very extended off the bottom. That's when stuff is expensive. You should have been selling up here at 180, waiting for this dip. Looks like he got the dip. So now just wait for that confirmation. What's up, Matt? What's up, Gerard? Hoskins House of Metal. What's up, my brother? Good morning. Yep, we're going to start doing lives here in the mornings, covering your guys' requests over here in the Discord so we don't have to sit through 2-hour sessions anymore. We're just going to wake up and get after it here and stay on top of stuff. And VOR, like I said, again, that one, 120 is a big level. Watching for that green dot there on the daily. Again, it has the monthly green dot there. So next one's going to be RINGAI. Ring AI. Looks like a cryptocurrency. This looks like, I don't know, this would be more of a fundamental play. There's no data on my chart, so I can't tell you anything about it. That'd be one you're investing on off of fundamentals, off of what the project does, what the software does, whether they have utility. If there's no data on my indicator, there's nothing I can tell you, right? We focus here on the monthly and the daily chart. So if there's no data on the monthly, we can't see what it says. Therefore, we could zoom into the daily here, and you can see it's been building a base here right at 3 cents. But this just looks like another very, very, very low cap, risky play. So I really recommend you guys start trading, crypto and stocks. If you guys are going to use this strategy, you need to trade stuff that has utility, like stuff that has at least a $10 billion market cap. If you go over here to the screener, so this is a really cool feature here on TradingView. This button right here is a screener. Okay, you can click on that, and you can see it pulls up. The first thing it pulls up is a stock screener. So you could actually set the filters up in this thing. Okay, what I like to do is I like to set it 10 billion and above. Okay, that just means these are liquid names. These are good names. These aren't penny stocks, meme coins, altcoins. Like, these are quality companies that make money, that, you know, buy their stock back, right? Stocks like Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Eli Lilly, Visa, right? MasterCard, UNH, XOM, Costco, Bank of America, okay? Big stock, $10 billion, right? Backing their stock, backing their project. So these little altcoins and stuff, you guys, I see some of you posting in Discord that you're down a third of your portfolio or something like that because you're trading these really high risk projects. These projects that are just most likely a meme coin or some type of rug pull, right? You want to buy projects that are quality, right? And a rule for that I like to use is that $10 billion rule, right? I only like to trade highly market cap stuff, 10 billion and above. They also have a crypto screener on here. If you come up here to the top and hit crypto coins, okay, and I normally clear this filter here and then this filter, and then right here you can rank by. So crypto's a little different. You can do 10 billion and above, but there's not many projects that have a $10 billion market cap. There's only 19 coins that have a $10 billion market cap. So you can go down to a billion. You can go 1 billion to 2 billion. I actually like this feature with the not the real estate, but the cryptos. You click on rank here and you could do top 100. So these are the top 100 crypto projects. These are the ones I would focus on, guys. Not these penny stocks, meme coins, right? Altcoins, quality names. Okay, if they're ranked in the top 100 by market cap, that means to me, that's a legit project, right? You got names like Starnet, Maker, fart coins in there. Okay, I take it back. I take it back. Fart coin. That's funny. Stacks. You got WorldCoin, Cosmos, Bonk, Ray, Algorand, right? Chronos. So that's the screener. And again, that is right here on the side of the chart here. You hit screeners there, and you got the crypto screener and you got the stock screener as well. Okay. So Pepe was the next one. Pepe's getting sold off here, but you can see the wave is way down here right now. So that one's still green on the monthly chart, right? It's just selling off here. So you had an entry opportunity right here at, what was that, 0.000017. Now you're going to get another one here shortly to average down on your position on the next green dot. So you can average down. If you got stocked out at that level, you can obviously buy back in. As long as this one holds green on the monthly, I don't think there's anything to worry about. This one's listed on Robinhood now, but you can see the last time we were down here in the golden zone was when you were wanting to buy the stock back here in August and September, okay, and even right here in April. So we want to buy in this golden zone, guys. This is our Fibonacci retracement tool, okay? If you guys don't have the indicator, you can get it right over here. You get all the red and green dots, the golden zone, everything. You just click a couple buttons and everything loads in. But if you don't know about that Fibonacci retracement tool, it's a very, very, very popular tool used among traders. I'd recommend watching these two videos, the golden zone and this guy's video. This is not me, but this guy explains the Fibonacci tool really, 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 really well. And this golden zone is just something that I have created myself. And I believe this is the best zone to be buying assets in with our strategy. And you can see that right from the past, okay? Best time to buy is at the bottom. I love the bottom of the golden zone, right? But as long as we're in the golden zone, we should be buying these green dots, okay? That is very, very clear over in the trading rules. We should be buying, 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 okay? If it goes the other way on you, okay, you can either get stopped out or just wait for the next green dot and average down. Because if you're long, if you believe that this asset is going to go up over the next 1 to 6 months, right? If you're long on Pepe, okay, then you should not be worried about a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day sell-off. Because again, we're going to get another signal right down here at the bottom of that golden zone, and that'll be an opportunity to build a position, right? To add to your position. So looking to average down on Pepe there on the next green dot. That's how I play that. Let's see if you guys got requests. Just get them over here. I might take some from the chat here if we got anyone in chat. It's the first stream I've done in a long time, guys. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I'll do a giveaway here on stream. If we can get the video to 100 likes, I'll give away a lifetime membership to the Discord over here. Okay, lifetime membership to the Discord. If we can get this video here to 100 likes. If we can get to 200, I'll do another giveaway as well. If you guys hear my dogs whining, I apologize. My wife's doing her workout in the living room. So, oh, there she is. Thanks, babe. We got Uber. If you guys could keep the requests over here to a minimum of 3, if you guys could, just for the sake of everybody's time. If you guys could just request 3, like I said, I'm going to jump on here and I'm going to start doing these in the mornings for you guys, so we don't have a big 2-hour video that we have to sit through. I'd rather just do a couple live streams, 4 live streams a week, and take your guys' requests that way. I think that works out for the better of all of us, and I think it's a lot easier. So hopefully you guys get some value out of this stuff, because it's taken up a lot of my time today, and I love it. I love connecting with you guys in the Discord. I love building this community. So it's a very big passion of mine, and I'm thankful for each and every one of you. Here's Uber. Uber's still red on the monthly, so we're not paying attention, right? If it's red on the monthly, we don't want it, guys. Okay, we don't want to buy Uber during this time. We want to wait for that green dot confirmation. Boom, that one came there at $23 back in 2022, ripped all the way up to 80. That's a 400% move for you in a little over. That was 3 years. But again, we want to wait for that confirmation. I wouldn't be buying Uber here, because that just goes against the strategy. And if you guys are not familiar with our trading rules, watch any video right in this trading course here. Okay, if you guys are not familiar with the strategy, we're swing traders, 1 to 6 months out, not day traders, not trying to get rich quick. Okay, we're thinking logically about where we enter and where we exit our positions over a 1 to 6 month time frame. Not today, not tomorrow. Okay, 1 to 6 month vision at all times. Okay, longer term swing traders here. NVIDIA's still red here on the monthly. This thing's just melting up. I got a bad feeling about this. I got a feeling one of these days this thing is just gonna zip on back down here to 80, and that's where I'm gonna want to scoop it up. But right now, it's just too big of a premium for me. It's just a trader's market here, right? We're sitting 23, 24% off the golden zone. I like to buy the pullbacks into the golden zone, guys. The golden zone, in the golden zone with the green dot, that is where I like to place my entries. Okay, and we're 23% off the golden zone right now. So if you're cool with sitting through a 23% dip, you can buy it. But if you come over here to the cheat sheet, okay, when we get way off the golden zone like that, okay, the golden zone is our mean, right? The golden zone is where we are looking, right, to purchase. We want to buy as close to the mean as possible. The best way for us to know whether we are getting a good price on something is to understand what the average is, right? And we measure the average, the mean, with our golden zone indicator, okay? We don't want to buy way off it. When we get 20, 30% off of it, that's when we need to start, right, thinking about taking profits, taking some off the table, and waiting, okay? I'm not saying this thing can't go up to 160, but that's like 5% from here. That's not a very sexy trade to me, okay? We're looking for 10, 20, 30, 40%. By the way, NNE freaking ripped off this dot here. Okay, we called this out in Overkill Trades Friday at $22. It's sitting at 44. Okay, that was a 100% move. But up here, we want to be taking profits, right? Stochastic RSI up here on the top there, white dotted line. That's where we want to be taking profits. Let's go back down here to the chart request thread here. Get your chart requests in here, guys. I'll cover them here. Okay, I'll cover them until there's no more. So NVIDIA, just too big of a premium. Let's take a look at Meta. And a lot of these tech companies have earnings coming up. So you can see Meta has earnings next Wednesday. And again, another name that's sitting way off of that golden zone, right? I like it better at 525. You can see how it pulled back into it there, pulled back into it there. Both great buying opportunities. I got a feeling this could sell off here on Wednesday. But again, it's just too much of a premium. You got too much room there separated. We want to buy these pullbacks. Buy the pullback. Okay, and I believe that one actually has a red monthly. So, oof. Be careful on Meta there. GOOG. Another one, just too far off the golden zone. Again, we want to buy the pullback into it with the green dot. Up here, we're too much of a premium. I like it better at 175. I'd be a profit taker up here on GOOG. Apple. Apple's still selling off hard. So you can see Apple's leading the tech down. Apple's gotten crushed over the last 3 weeks, guys. But this is going to set up. Okay, this will set up for a nice play here in the future. Let's just be patient and wait on that green dot confirmation. Okay, that could come down at 190. That could come at 200. That could come at 180. We don't know where it's going to come. But when it does, okay, we'll be able to sit there and make a decision. They got earnings next week on the 30th as well. Lots of big earnings next week. T-Money says SMCI. Okay, and I'll take some chart requests here from the chat as well on YouTube. After we get through the Discord requests. Discord requests come first, and I'll get you guys' requests. What's up, Alex? What's up, Walt? SMCI here. That one's still red on the monthly as well. So this one, they had that lawsuit. Again, not the biggest fan of buying companies that are under investigation, but $29 is a major, major level for that. I don't know if they beat the lawsuit. I'm sure this thing is going to rip. But if they lose the lawsuit, I'm sure it's going to go right, probably down to 20, back down to where we were back here. So it did get a green dot. We called that out on Tuesday. You just want to make sure that one holds $29. $29 needs to be your stop loss there on SMCI. But I don't like it because the monthly's red. I'd rather wait for the monthly to flip the green before I start looking for a trade. But that one is building a strong base there at 29. It's really just going to depend on how that lawsuit turns out. So that's kind of a 50-50 coin flip for me, and I don't like those odds. We got SHIB. SHIB selling off here too. That one's got a red candle here on the monthly. So it's right at a big level, right? This level down to here at 0.000018 is going to be the level you want to watch. That's where we wick down to right here. I'd just be looking to average down on this on the next green dot here. Okay, and you're going to want to make sure we don't have a red dot next month on the monthly. Okay, you're just going to want to make sure that one holds the bottom of this candle right here. Okay, bottom of that candle right there. That's 0.000018. Look to average down on that on the next daily dot there. The next daily green dot there on SHIB. Oh, to the table. I wish you hanging good. Hi, my name is Bo. I use a strategy for a few weeks now, but I'm struggling to set my stop loss. Yes. Very, very choppy market right now, so I can understand that you're getting stopped out quite a bit just because, again, we're literally just kind of going sideways here. To be honest with you, I don't have any stop losses set on any of my names right now. I'm just looking to average down on the green dots here. But when we go sideways like this, it's very easy for the market makers to manipulate price. That's why you see these big wicks down. Everyone has their stop loss right here, right at 3,100. We break 3,100, it wicks down and gets sucked right back up. So you guys just try to understand that we're just trading in a range right now. We're literally just going sideways on a lot of these names. Okay, Jasmine, another one. That one's going down. But, right, if you get stopped out, you simply just have to re-enter on the next green dot. Okay, you're going to get in at a cheaper price down here. Okay, so you got to remember, we're 1 to 6 month time frames. We're really trading the monthly chart. So if you get a pullback on the daily like this, okay, and we're down here, we should be looking to accumulate on these dots. Okay, if you get stopped out, you just got to get back in on the next green dot. That's how it works. Okay, and I always set my stop losses at the bottom of the candle. We get the green dot on the daily. So for right now, like Jasmine would have been stopped out today, right here at 0.026. So I'd be out and then waiting for the next green dot to come back to re-enter the position. So stop losses are always, right, I like to set psychological ones, not actually set it inside the app, because again, it's very easy for market makers to see your order and take the price down, especially in a choppy market like this. So Jasmine's really needs to hold that $2,500 spot, and we can assess that one when we get that green dot there on Jasmine. We got Dogecoin. And all these names, I don't see any red monthly dots yet on crypto, okay? Not saying they can't come here in February. They very well could come here in February, right? Dogecoin's already ran from the bottom to the top, okay, 500%. So the easy money's been made, right? Now it's just trading, right? And seeing and understanding what the next move is going to be. Is it going to be up or is it going to be down? Okay, so Doge got the red dot right there at 38. It's now sitting at 34. So I guess this one could probably sell off down here to 30. Just look to average down on the next daily green dot, right? You got one right here on the 23rd at 31. It went up to 40. You got another one right here at around 35. Once again, went up to 44. Now it's just chopping around, right? We're going sideways. There's not any crazy move up or crazy move down right now. We're literally just stuck in this consolidation phase right now. We're going sideways. In crypto, okay, everything's just moving to the side. Nothing's going up, nothing's going down, right? If you zoom out of the chart, we're really just range bound here. So above the golden zone, though, I'm fully bullish on the name, right? I'd put a stop at 30 cents, though, on Doge. If that breaks, it'll probably come down to 20, 25. If you're long on the asset, that should just be a place where you're looking to average down. Let's take a look here at we got Polyswarm. If you guys could type the tickers in, it's just easy for me to type the ticker in rather than trying to, I believe this one's NCT. Yeah, Polyswarm. So this one's trying to bounce here as well. We looked at this yesterday. I got the green dot. 0.033 is going to be the stop loss. Okay, this one's gone for a ride here. Absolutely just ripped. Okay, 0.033 is a very, very big level. That's the bottom of that green candle right there on the daily. So again, the stop loss level for you guys should be the bottom of the candle you get the green dot on. Okay, if you guys are wanting to set a stop loss, it should always be the bottom of the candle you're getting the green dot on. Okay, because that is telling us, hey, this is the bottom. We should not break this level. So the stop loss should be right there at 0.032. Any tips on trying to buy a red candle and predict a green candle? No, I just wait for confirmation. Okay, wait for confirmation. You'll never go broke waiting for confirmation on your name. You don't want to try to guess the bottom because then, again, if you're guessing here, guessing here, guessing here, guessing here, right, eventually, right, you get tired of guessing. It's easier to just wait for the confirmation of the green dot, guys. You won't go broke waiting for confirmation. You know the level if you got the green dot. You don't know the level if you don't have the green dot. Okay, it's a lot easier to trade when you just wait for the confirmation on the chart. You just want to make sure that the monthly is green, okay, and then we want to enter the day of the green dot, right? We focus on the monthly first, then we zoom to the daily, okay? This green dot right here came back in December of 2026. It went from 2.3 all the way up to 10, 11 cents. That was a 500% trade. Okay, that was a beautiful, beautiful trade right there. We got DNT. I believe this is a crypto as well. And again, guys, if we can get this video to 100 likes, I will give away a lifetime membership to the Discord. If you guys are already a member, I will make sure you no longer, right, are on a monthly subscription over there. Lifetime membership to the Discord if we can get this video to 100 likes. Here's DNT. That one's got a red dot there on the monthly. So that just doesn't look good. Okay, doesn't look good. It's got a green dot today. I would set a stop loss at probably right there at 0.037. I just don't like the chart. The trend is down, and it's got a red dot here on the monthly. So you want to be careful on that. Okay, probably the true stop loss is down there at about 3 cents. 3 cents would be down here at this level where we bounced around for a while. I'd look to just average down here. Again, if you're buying this, you should be 1 to 6 months out, not looking at the daily price action, right? If you're buying up here, you're getting smoked, okay? But if you're buying down here with these people, okay, the smart money down here, okay, this is where you want to be. This is where you want to be in on the action. So you're getting a green dot. It's just below the golden zone here. But again, be very, very cautious on this one because that monthly dot is red. So you got to use your judgment on that one. Not my favorite look at chart. CRO. CRO's in the golden zone. I like this one. Okay, this is a quality name here. Okay, and that one's bouncing right on 12. And it's got the green dot. That had the green dot yesterday. And the monthly is still green. The candle is red this month, but the dot is still green. Okay, so this one is still safe as long as we can hold this level right here at 0.11. About 12 cents there. Okay, we're right at the bottom of that golden zone. So watch for this one to explode to the upside. I would set the stop loss on this one at 11 cents. If 11 cents breaks, you sell it and probably get back here at 10, or you can just average down at 10 if it goes there. Okay, it's going to be interesting in a couple days once we get 7 days when we get those new 7 or 8 days when we get the new monthly candles. It'll be interesting to see if we got some crypto red candles because they have really shoved this thing down. I mean, this has been a pretty big dip from the top here at 23 on CRO, like 50% down. Guys, there were people buying up here at 23 cents. Okay, people buying up here at 23 cents. Okay, 50% drop. Okay, lost half of their money if they held all the way to the bottom. Okay, that is despair. Okay, that is despair. When we are that far off of the golden zone, okay, we should not be buying or accumulating assets that far off of the golden zone. We want to buy into the golden zone, into the golden zone, into the golden zone. Right inside the golden zone should be our buy box. We're looking for entries on these green dots as long as we are in or around the golden zone. And as long as CRO can hold on here to about 12 cents, I like this play. The dot is still green. We got that one yesterday. What's up, Doretto? You should take a look at Doge main, guys. I just don't do the meme coins. Do you enter CMP on the green dot? Is that the minerals? Okay, that one is also getting the red dot here. I would not be entering CMP here. I would have entered CMP right here at 10, and I'd be selling up here. Okay, you want to buy down here when the wave is down here, giving you the green dot. Right there. Bang. Rip. She'll be your honey in a room full of money. She's just trying to make it lay. We got QCOM. This is Qualcomm. Okay, Qualcomm's ripping right now. Okay, really nice move. That's got a green monthly candle there. It's a really good name. I would honestly look to take some profits here, though, into earnings. Okay, again, if you were buying the green dot, you were buying down here at 157. That's a nice little, I don't know, 15% trade. I would be taking profits on a name like Qualcomm again. Stochastic RSI is up here at the white dotted line. Okay, red dot coming soon. And also you got earnings here next Wednesday. So holding into earnings is always a gamble. Okay, and I would normally sell if it rips like this into earnings. Okay, it might go up here to 192 or so. The monthly looks like it's reversing. But I would take some off the table here, right? So 25, 50% of the position, right, into earnings. Okay, the wave is way up here. We want to be buying when the wave is down here. We want to be selling when the wave is up here. This thing's had a really nice move. 15% for a stock like Qualcomm is really good. I know a lot of you guys want the 10, 20, 30, 40, 100Xs like you see on Twitter. It's just not realistic a lot of the time, okay? A good quality stock like Qualcomm, if you can make 15% in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, okay, people are happy with 5% a year. You made 15% in 7 days, so don't be greedy. If the indicator's way up here, take some off the table. At least sell 25, 50%. Yeah, we're doing lives now every day. Monday through Thursday, answering chart requests for you guys over here. Okay, as long as there's about 10 chart requests in the thread, I'll do a live. If there's not any chart requests, I'm not going to do a live, but we've been getting a lot of requests lately, so I'd be happy to answer all these for you guys here on stream here Monday through Thursday. And I appreciate you guys, right? We have over 1,000 members now, so I've been able to let some other things in my life go and put more attention into this. So I'm just very thankful for the Spartan community. I'm just here to give back as much as I can. I hope you guys are learning. You guys are teaching me a lot of stuff too. Okay, this isn't about me. It's not about you. It's about the whole community. So Qualcomm again, looking to take profits on that one. We got TEM. This was the trade, the Nancy Pelosi trade. The dot called this out before the Nancy Pelosi account did, right? We got the green dot right here on Friday. That was at $34. $34. Boom. And then the Nancy news dropped on Monday. Rip. Okay? Rip. I didn't have this one on my watch list prior to Monday. When I saw that she was buying this, obviously with the AI craze, right? They passed that bill for $500 billion. Trump passed that bill for $500 billion on, what was that? That was like 2 days ago or something. Frickin', you're going to say Nancy didn't know that bill wasn't going to pass or something wasn't going to go on there? Come on. They didn't just decide that overnight. The insiders know stuff, guys. The insiders are what we consider here the smart money, right? They're these guys. Smart money. Okay, smart money knows things that we don't. Us little retail investors, we're on the back side of everything, right? So we need to use technical analysis to understand where the smart money is buying, okay? Smart money's buying down here, okay? Smart money's buying down here. Smart money's not buying up here. Up here. Smart money's buying down here, okay? We want to get in before the move. And our buys, like I said, guys, 1 to 6 months. 1 to 6 month time frames. Sometimes the move will happen in a couple weeks. It might happen in 3 weeks. It might happen in 4 weeks. But when you get this kind of move, right, from 34 up to 56, you're up 100%. You might as well take some off the table, 25, 50% of your position, and just wait and go find another opportunity, right? When we move like this, that's normally when you guys want to think about taking profits, right? $52 here on TEM. I'm selling 25% or even half, right? I wouldn't be buying up here after the news. We want to buy before the news. And this literally called it out before the news dropped, right there at 35. We just didn't have this on our watch list yet, but it is now on there, and we will be calling out those alerts over there in the Discord. If you guys are new, all these alerts get called out. The daily and the monthlies get called out over here in the Discord for all the stocks and crypto on my watch list. And then this Overkill trade section right here, these are my hand-picked ones. Okay, these are the ones that I look at and I'm like, wow, that looks like a good opportunity. Okay, not every green dot is a buying opportunity, but you can see we got some today like UNH. I really like the UNH chart here today. and also the GME. This is GameStop. GameStop looks really good today. And also Riot. Riot's pretty far up here right now, but if crypto decides to go, right, this thing should just blast off here outside the golden zone. I got a stop loss on that Riot trade at $12. I didn't take the trade, but it's an interesting setup, right? And this one's interesting too on LCX. That's an altcoin. UNH though looks really good. That one looks like it can go back to at least 560 to 580. And then GME, beautiful drop here into the golden zone, and that one's got the green dot right there today as well. That's GameStop. What else we got here? Got a few more, and then we'll take some requests from the chat here on YouTube. Lululemon. Okay, that one's got the green dot today. If you're going to play that one, use your stop loss. Put it at 360. 360 on the stop. The monthly chart is green and pointing out. This looks strong. This looks really strong. Okay, 360. I put it at 360. Your stop loss is 360. I'd be buying that here today. Off that dot. I'm actually going to drop that one over there. Good call out there on Lulu. Fox, F-O-X. Fox Corporation or Fox Crypto? Fox Corporation is way up right now. Look at that. Way off the golden zone there. Okay, I'm waiting for the pullback into the golden zone on that one. Are you talking about a crypto or a stock? I'm going to guess you're talking about a crypto. And this one looks ugly. I'm going to say this one's red on the... Well, it's green on the monthly, but way below the golden zone and just trending down right now. So watch that one to bounce at like 3 cents. Like down here. Boom. Okay, wait for the green dot on that one if you're talking about the stock. ACI. Albertsons. Albertsons is just trying to bounce here off 19.5. 19.4. Okay, green dot on the monthly. I like it. Good call out. Okay, monthly reversal here. You're just going to want to wait for that green dot confirmation. Okay, we want to enter the day of the green dot. That's where we take our positions. This one's trying to bounce off of 19.5. It doesn't mean it has to, but it is trying to bounce there. So watch for that green dot there on Albertsons and watch that level right there at 19.40. Jasmine, we covered. That one not looking good today, right? Selling off here, down below, broke its support. So once again, you just need to wait for the next green dot confirmation. That could come here at 0.025. That could come down here at 0.02. It's just going to depend on where we decide to bounce. Okay, the green dot is still on the monthly chart. So this has just been brutal, right? From the top at 6 cents up here, this has been a 57% drop. So if I'm an investor and I'm long on Jasmine, I'm licking my chops right now, right? We just dropped 60%. That means, right, people are up here in despair. People were buying up here at 6 cents, okay? And they just got racked, okay? We don't want to buy when we're this far off of the golden zone, guys. That big of a separation is when we sell. That red dot was your sell signal right there. Bang. Okay, boom. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. I'd watch this one for a green dot there on the daily. See where that comes and then make your decision based off that. We got DKNG. DraftKings. Okay, this one's pretty far up there. I put a trailing stop on this one at 40 bucks. Trailing stop at 40 bucks on this one. You got the green dot right here at 36. Okay, you're up here at 41. That was a nice about 25% move there. Really nice move. Was that 25%? I hope my math's not off. It probably is. Okay, it was 15%. Okay, got me there. 15% move there. But I put a trailing stop on this one. Put it at $40 or $39. $39 would probably be better for a stop. But I wouldn't mind taking some profits here with the stochastic up here, taking 25 or 50% off there. We got XRP. Okay, unpopular opinion. I think you guys should sell some XRP here. I think you should. I mean, technically, it is very overbought, right? Very overbought. I know everyone just thinks it. Everyone wants me to sit here and say it's going to $10,000 tomorrow. Right? Something's going to happen. It's going to hit $10,000 tomorrow. No. Okay, I'm more of a realist. I'm more of a logical thinker here when it comes to technical analysis and trading. Okay, if it does go up to $10 tomorrow and I miss it, wonderful. Okay, but the truth is, right, I was calling the green dot down here at 50 cents. We've been long on XRP since 50 cents. So you're already up 800%. Okay, 800%. That's a lot. That's more than a lot of people will make on their investments their whole lifetime. And you made it in a couple months. So, again, I wouldn't be greedy here on XRP. I would set a stop loss right there $2.90. The dot is red. So if 290 breaks, you could see that come down to the $2 level. So I personally, if I was holding any more XRP, I would be taking 25, maybe 25, 50% off up here. Okay, and then you don't got to worry about it. Okay, because that monthly chart has gone for a ride. It did the same thing back here in 2021 and did the same thing back here in 2018. I'm not saying it can't keep going, guys. Obviously, there's some fundamental reasons to be bullish on this. But if you're asking me to technically look at the chart, I'm telling you, technically it's overbought. Okay, and technically it could come down to $2.50 to $2. I would like to buy it at 2 if it comes down into the golden zone. Okay, that'd be a prime time entry on that. But I don't think it's a bad idea to sell at least 25% here, 25, 50%. Yes, sir. Yep. Again, XRP, I know you guys don't want to hear that, but I would trim some. I would sell 25, 50%. Okay, that thing has gone for a ride. Here's VSAT. That one's got a green monthly dot. Very good call out here. I actually saw some politicians were buying this as well. They are a satellite company, so I'm actually going to set some alerts here. If you guys have the trading indicator, you can set your own alerts. Just right-click, hit Add Alert, once per bar, small green dot, boom. Okay, you don't have to put the code in. You could just say, right, VSAT, call it the name of the ticker. I like to just put this code. I put this code in here because that will call it out for our members over in the Discord. Okay, so you guys are going to get this VSAT monthly alert here. Monthly alert. And if you guys, again, want to set your own alerts, you go right-click, hit Add Alert. I do once per bar, and I use the small green dots. Okay, small green dots for the buy signals, and the small and big dots for the red circles. But normally, I'm looking for the red dots on my positions that I have, so I don't even set alerts for sell signals. I just use the small green dot here on stocks and crypto once per bar, and then I set it open-ended. You guys might have to select a date if you don't have, if you do not have the premium version of TradingView. But again, then you just hit create, and that will actually send you an email and notify you guys inside of the app. You can see that that was just called out over here in the Discord for our members. VSAT is showing a green dot on the monthly chart. I did see some stuff about politicians buying this, and this thing's been absolutely killed down from 100 all the way down to 10 here. And it looks like it's just, the party's just starting. So this is one I want to keep my eye on. I'm going to put that one in the green list. But I am looking to enter only on a green daily dot, right? Our entry was right there at 7. Now I want to wait for a pullback and another one. Okay, I'm not going to rush into it here. I want to wait for that pullback. But this one looks interesting with that green dot here on the chart and the fact that there have been some politicians buying VSAT. What else we got here? MSTU, and then we'll take some requests from the chat over here in YouTube. Feel free to drop them over here on YouTube if you guys are not in the Discord, and I will cover them. MSTU. That one's not enough data. I mean, your entry should have been right here at 9. You're up about 30% off of that. I'd put a stop loss at $10. SOFI. This one get a pullback yet? No, it did not. Okay, we called this dot out here on the 14th at $14. It's up here at 18 now. Really, really nice move. But I'm taking some profits in right here into earnings. Okay, they got earnings next Monday. Stochastic RSI, that light blue line is up there at the white dotted line. Okay, I want to take some profits off the table. Again, we are very, very extended here. Off the golden zone, you're talking about 27% off the golden zone. I'm cashing in some profits here on SoFi if I hold it. Starbucks, S-Bucks. Starbucks also, profit-taking territory. Okay, way up there. We had the green dot come right here in December at $88. It's up at $98 now. That was about a 15% move. Great move. Okay, great move. If you don't want to sell it, set a stop loss at 94. But again, they got earnings coming up next week too. Next week's going to be big. A lot of earnings next week, but a lot of these charts have ran really hard. Therefore, I would be looking to take some off on some of these names, especially a name like Starbucks here. All right, chart requests here. We got Walt for ETC. I'm taking these from the chat here now. Okay, 25 is going to be the stop loss. Boom. Okay, green dot right there. That one looks good. Looks like it's just starting to lift off here. $25 is going to be a big level, but I would have been a buyer yesterday on the 22nd. This one looks really, really good as long as 25 holds. We covered XRP. We covered SHIB. Nate says AEHR. AEHR. That one looks ugly. Oh, it's got a green dot on the monthly. So this one, just wait for that confirmation, but a big level for this is going to be right there at, call it 1050. I just wait for that green dot confirmation on this one. This one's interesting, though. That monthly chart, very, very interesting. And I don't know what these guys do, but monthly chart gave you the dot here last week. You're just going to want to make sure that one holds 1060 there. It's been using that as support for a very long time, okay, for the last couple days. Good to hear, Elijah. I'm glad you're liking the indicator. Again, if you guys don't have that, you guys can download the indicator, everything that we use right here in the trading indicator tab. And if you guys are new, I got a trading course over here that kind of goes more in depth on the trading rules and how we approach the market. So I just want to welcome everybody, all the new people to the Discord. Welcome to all the new members. Again, I'm going to try to start doing these chart request videos Monday through Thursday. As long as we got some chart requests here inside of the Discord, I will cover these. Okay, so if you guys got some, if you want me to answer them tomorrow, get them in here in the chart requests, and I will continue to just go live. It looks like we only got 25 likes today, so maybe tomorrow we can get to 100, and I'll do a giveaway. But that looks like it is it today. We've covered all the names. God bless you guys. Again, if you guys got chart requests, if I missed you today, just drop them over here in the chat requests, and we'll cover them tomorrow. I will see you guys. Well, tomorrow's Friday, so we got our watch list dropping tomorrow. Okay, Overkill watch list. Those are going to be all the names on my watch list, at least the names that I'm holding, and the names down here on my watch list. These are the names I'm actively looking to take positions on. I'll be covering these tomorrow, and I will try to knock out any chart requests that you guys have over here as well tomorrow. Going to start going live Monday through Friday doing these chart requests. As long as we have requests over here, I'm happy to do videos for you guys. So last one here from Alex IONQ from the chat. And that one has just gone on an absolute tear. So that's super bullish, but you got a red candle here today. I would set your stop loss on this right here at about $39. $39, not a bad place to take some off the table if you're in off the dot here. But that one, you really want to make sure that one holds that $39 level right there. Set that stop loss right there. Sounds good, Mickey. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless y'all. Have a great day.